Hello children, welcome back to the online video classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So, today we are going to start a new chapter of your book, and your book is, this is your book, New Mulberry Course Book. I already written the name on the blackboard, you can see. This is your English 2 course book. So today we are going to start a new chapter. Before we start a new chapter, I request you all, please take out your book and notebook with pencil and eraser. Now you can open page number 44, and the name of the lesson is The Tale of Miss Muppet. Lesson number 4. The Tale of Miss Muppet. You can open page number 44. Hello children, now you can see this is your lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is The Tale of Miss Muppet. And there is an activity. This mouse is hungry. Help him find the apple. There is an apple and there is a mouse. So you have to do this. And this is your homework. Now, I'm going to read this lesson. Now children, we are going to read this chapter. I'm going to read. Now let's see whether Miss Muppet. Now let's see whether Miss Muppet, the cat, will be able to catch the clever little mouse behind the cupboard. What is the name of the cat? The name of the cat is Miss Muppet. This is a cat called Miss Muppet. She thinks she has heard a mouse. This is the mouse. This is the mouse peeping out behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Muppet. The mouse is peeping out behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Muppet. He is not afraid of a kitten. The mouse is not afraid of a kitten. This is Miss Muppet jumping just too late. She misses the mouse and hits her own head. She thinks it is a very hard cupboard. Now turn your page, page number 45. I hope you all are turning your page. And next page, first line, the mouse watches Miss Muppet from the top of the cupboard. Mouse watches Miss Muppet from the top of the cupboard. Miss Muppet ties up her head in a duster. Miss Muppet ties up her head in a duster and sits before the fire. The mouse thinks she is looking very ill. Mouse is thinking the cat is very ill. He comes sliding down the curtain. Who comes sliding down the curtain? Mouse comes sliding down the curtain. Miss Muppet looks worse and worse. The mouse comes a little nearer. Miss Muppet holds her poor head in her paws and looks at him through a hole in the duster. The mouse comes very close, and then all of a sudden Miss Muppet jumps upon the mouse. And because the mouse has teased Miss Muppet thinks she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of her. Now, In the next line, she ties him up in the duster and tosses it about like a ball. But she forgets about that hole in the duster, and when she untied it, there was no mouse. He has wriggled out and run away, and he is dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. The story of this Muppet is a tale about teasing, featuring a kitten and a mouse. That was written by Beatrix Potter. Who is the writer of this tale? Beatrix Potter is the writer of this tale. Potter was born in London in 1986. Now, you are thinking this story is related with which cartoon? It's a very famous cartoon. Yes, you are right. This story is related to famous cartoon Tom and Jerry. Yes, you all are watching this, I think. In this, now, I'm going to show you a very interesting story. It's based on your lesson number 4. Now, you can see on the screen, I'm going to show you this story.
Story of Miss Moppet by Beatrix Potter. This is a pussy called Miss Moppet. She thinks she has heard a mouse. This is the mouse peeping out behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Moppet. He is not afraid of a kitten. This is Miss Moppet, jumping just too late. She misses the mouse and hits her own head. She thinks it is a very hard cupboard. The mouse watches Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard. Miss Moppet ties up her head in a duster and sits before the fire. The mouse thinks she is looking very ill. He comes sliding down the bell pull. Miss Moppet looks worse and worse. The mouse comes a little nearer. Miss Moppet holds her poor head in her paws and looks at him through a hole in the duster. The mouse comes very close. And then all of a sudden, Miss Moppet jumps upon the mouse. And because the mouse has teased Miss Moppet thinks she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of Miss Moppet. She ties him up in the duster and tosses it about like a ball. But she forgot about that hole in the duster, and when she untied it, there was no mouse. He has wriggled out and run away, and he is dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. The end. end.
I hope children you understood the story very well. After this, we are going to do some book exercises. So, I request you all, please open your next page. I will tell you the page number, but first I have to clean my board. Now children, you can open page number 46. Page number 46. And the first question is, put a tick against the sentences that are true and a cross against those that are false. And the number one is, A. Miss Muffet thinks she has heard a cockroach. She has heard a cockroach. I don't think so. So there's a box. You have to cross it. Number B. Page number 46. B. The mouse is making fun of Miss Muppet. It is true. Yes, it is true. So you have to put a tick in the B. And the C is, Miss Muppet hits her own paw. Miss Muppet hits her own paw. Yes or wrong? It's wrong. So you have to take cross. D. The mouse thinks Miss Muppet is looking very happy. Miss Muppet is looking happy? I don't think so. So you have to put cross. In E, Miss Muppet forget about the hole in the duster. Miss Muppet forget about the hole in the duster? Yes or no? Think about. I'm going to write the answer. Yes, it's correct. She forget. Now, you have to turn your page. Page number 47. There are fill in the blanks. And we are going to do next exercise. All of you fill this in your book? Okay, I am going to drop this. Now, open your page number 47. Page number 47. Next exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the box below. Now, you can see here, there is a clue box. You have to write correct word from this clue box in the fill in the blanks. Now, first one is watching, second is sliding, third is pecking, fourth is kicking, fifth is flying. Okay, I am going to write only the answer. Okay, so you have to fill your book. Now, A. The mouse comes dash down the curtain. You just see the clue box. Watching, sliding, pecking, kicking and flying. So the right answer is sliding. So you have to write S-L-I-D-I-N-G, sliding. B. My father is dash T. My father is dash T. Watching, pecking, kicking, flying. My father is watching TV. So you have to write watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Watching. C. The aeroplane is dash high up in the sky. The aeroplane is dash high up in the sky. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. एरोप्लेन किसी ने नीचे चलते देखा है? नहीं. Aeroplane is always flying in the sky. Rajiv plays with the ball by dash it hard. Rajiv plays with the ball by dash it hard. By K-I-C-K-I-N-G, kicking. Now the correct word is kicking. Rajiv plays with the ball by kicking it hard. E. Simi's mother is dash a gift for the birthday party. Simi's mother is dash a gift for the birthday party. And the last option is packing. P-A-C-K-I-N-G, packing. Simi's mother is packing a gift for the birthday party. Now I'm going to give you 2 minutes. So you have to note it down in your books. Everyone done this? Should I rub? Okay, I'm going to rub this. Now, question number 2. Miss Muppet is a cat. She likes to eat fish. What are some of the things other animals eat? Pick the correct words to complete the following sentences. There is a clue box. First one is honey, second is leaves, third is grains, fourth is fish, fifth is bananas. So, I am going to do this. On the blackboard, I am writing only the answer. So, you have to complete your book. Okay, now, number 1, A is, this is on the same page, page number 47. Okay. A giraffe likes to eat. A giraffe likes to eat. Tell me. Yes, leaves. So you have to write leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. B. A bear likes to eat. A bear likes to eat honey. So you have to write honey. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. C. A hen likes to eat. A hen likes to eat grains. G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. D. A penguin likes to eat fish. A penguin likes to eat fish. A monkey likes to eat, everyone knows. A monkey likes to eat bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. Now, A you have to write leaves, then B honey, C grapes, D fish, E bananas. Okay, I am giving you 2 minutes you have to write in your book. I hope you all write it down. Should I rub? I'm going to rub this. I'm going to rub this. Yes. Now, next exercise, this and that. Now I'm going to explain you what is this and what is that. We use this to talk about a thing that is close to us. Okay, like this. This book is close to me. Okay, so I have to put this. If this book is far to me, then I have to use that. Like this. If this is a tree. Okay, so this is a tree. This is then I'm going to show you an example. So this is near, so we have to put this. This is a tree. Okay. Now dash is a tree. It is far, so we have to write that is a tree. That is a tree. Now, same, these and those. Like, I have lots of chalk, okay? I have 3-4 chalk. It's near to me. So, I have to write these. These are chalks, like this. Dash. So I have to write these, T-H-E-S-E. These are chalks. And when so these chalks are very far. So we have to write those are chalks. Those are chalks. So children, please open your page number 48. And the question is, put a tick against the correct answer. There are 4 options and 1 is correct. So I am going to write only the correct one. Okay? Now, you can see on the blackboard. Number 1. This, that, these, those is a tree. The tree is far. So what we have to write? What we have to take? We have to take that. That. You have to take on that. Number 2. There are 4 options. First one is this, then that, then these, then those. This, that, these, those are kittens. Now you have to put a tick on these. These are kittens. Now C part. This, that, these, those are books. Books are far. So we have to put a tick on those. So you have to tick on those. T-H-O-S-E, those. Those. Number 4. This, that, these, those is a pineapple. Pineapple is near. So we have to tick on this. So you have to tick on this. Number 5. This, that, these, those is a house. House is a farm. So we have to write that is a house. So you have to put tick on that. T-H-A-T, that. You have to tick on that. Number 6. This, that, these, those are pretty flowers. Flowers are far. So we have to put tick on those. T-H-O-S-E, those. So you have to tick on those. Now, number 7. This, that, these, those are my pencils. So pencils are near. So we have to put tick on these. T-H-E-S-E, these. Understood that? And last 2 I'm going to write here. This, that, these, those is your bottle. The bottle is near. So we have to tick on this. You have to tick on this. Number 9. This, that, these, those is a sunflower. Sunflower is far. So we have to put on that. You have to put tick on that. T-H-A-T, that. Okay? I'm going to give you 1 minute. So you have to put tick against the correct answer. Okay? You have to put tick against the correct answer. Turn your next page. Turn your next page. Come to next page, bacha. Question number 2. Look at the pictures given below and write down 2 words that make the same or sound as in old. Okay, I am going to show you. Two words you have to write. The first picture is grow. Okay, first is you have to write a crow. Okay, and the second picture is bow. नेक पे बांधते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं bow. B-O-W, bow. So one more word of each. Think about. I will write. Bow, you have to write row, R-O-W, row, and grow, grow. You have to write grow. That this one. Okay. Write it down in your book. Now children, I am going to show you how to fill your book with pencil. Okay, like this you have to put tick and cross in the book. Understood that? And I am going to show you next exercise. In this exercise you have to fill like this. The mouse comes sliding down the corridor. My father is watching TV. The aeroplane is flying high up in the sky. Rajiv plays with the ball by kicking it hard. Simi's mother is packing a gift for the birthday party. In this exercise, you have to write like this. Leaves, honey, grapes, fish, bananas. Okay? You have to put like this. You have to put tick like this. Understood that? So, here you have to write 2 words. Throw, grow, bow and row. Understood that? And this is your homework. This is the picture. You have to color it. Understood that? This is your homework. Okay? Your book exercises are finished. We will continue the notebook exercises in next class. Okay? This is your book exercises. And it's enough for today. Okay? Bye-bye. Till then, see you in the next class.